Great out there.
It does.
It's not great out there.
Like the windmills?
The windmills. My son, if you're watching, he loves the windmills. There you go. They're
cool.
spinning. So we'll get a cold front. Just don't get your hopes way up, okay? Don't let these looks fool you. All right, let me show you what's going on out there right now. And there we can apply it there too. That camera image looks really good because there's water and the sun is kind of going behind some of these clouds here, the cumulus clouds here. Heat index still of 104 and we're almost to 7 o'clock. But you're going to miss these days come December and January when we are possibly at times below freezing, right? Rarely, but sometimes. Or remember back to the winter storm we had? Well, maybe you won't miss these days. I don't know. It depends on to each their own. But right now, heat index of 104. Heat advisory extended by our Weather Service office here until tomorrow night. It's the right call. We'll have heat indices as high as 109 in spots. Could beat that in many spots. But then this weekend, that will fall off, finally, thanks to a front. Heat index, though, right now, still, look at this, 106 in Sherman, McKinney. Feels like 107 in Terrell, 103 in Canton. Corsicana feels like 107 for you. So not a pretty picture across the board anytime you're seeing the pink all over the map here. All right, tonight, 81, light winds, warm and humid. This is warmer than the high temperature. Overnight, we will be warmer than the high temperature in Oxnard. And we'll talk to Joe in just a second. Beautiful weather out there. Wouldn't you rather be out there? Forecast heat indices for tomorrow. Some spots showing 110. That might be a stretch too far, but either way, this is not great. Take care of yourselves, take care of others, pets, everyone out there tomorrow. One more super hot day. High pressure sitting over us. Again, the northern hemisphere in our summer. We're tilted towards the sun. This is actually the spot as well that's the closest to the sun on planet Earth. So there you go. And we have high pressure sitting right over us. Look at all the activity going around it clockwise. That's what happens. All the storms in Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, severe weather up in the northern plains, even some storms firing in the Front Range there in Colorado. Look at the swirl on water vapor. Look at that. Clockwise. That's your high pressure center, kind of right over Wichita Falls. So all the thunderstorm activity just missing us all around. Boy, it'd be nice to see a little late night thunderstorm tonight, wouldn't it? Some lightning out there as it gets dark, some rain cool there and some wind. Well, this is as close as we can get and hope for here on Timecast. So these are feels like temps. It's still overdoing that. Let's go Friday late. That front approaches from the north. Maybe some activity along the Red River. That looks like too much proliferation to these eyes, okay? But maybe some activity there. Trying to pop some up then early Saturday morning west on the I-20 corridor. And then maybe a sprinkle or two did kind of pop up there. I saw that. I caught that. Maybe you did. Denton and Collin counties. Tiny little sprinkle. You had to really squint. Boy, we'd take a shower or two, but then that pushes through. The good news is Saturday morning, we're talking a feels like temperature, maybe some upper 70s, okay? Maybe some drier air and a wind gust to 20. Could feel pretty good, okay? Briefly, very small window. 103, 98, we'll keep that 10% rain bet in. Overnight then, little gusty winds, those will die down. 76 Sunday morning, that's, you know, anytime you see the 70s, even though it's overnight, we'll take it. 96 Sunday, warming right back up into the triple digits. And a stray rain chance we will want to talk about possibly late the following weekend if we get a little bit of a pattern change.